This week, we return to Death Valley, the lowest and driest place in North America. But this time, it's transformed. A land known for extreme heat and endless salt flats now lies beneath water. Moments like this are rare, and we're here to witness it.
All right, so now we've made our way up to Dante's View, and there's so many clouds out here. It's incredibly windy. I'm not sure if you guys can even hear me, but it looks absolutely beautiful up here. I mean, look at these views. It clears up every few seconds, but it's definitely windy and cold up here. So we'll see what I get. Looks absolutely crazy.
After a windswept morning at Dante's View, we made our way through Artist Drive, chasing the stormlight. At Artist Palette, the moody skies brought the colors to life in a way I've never seen them before. These are the images I captured.
This behind me is exactly what I came here for. I've been talking the weather these past few days, and I was hoping to capture this, which is Badwater Basin, just completely covered in water. It looks absolutely beautiful out here. I mean, the reflections in the water makes it look like a lake almost out here. Absolutely stunning. So right now, it's almost 3 p.m., so I'm gonna get set up, catch sunset out here. Looks really cloudy and moody. It's been like that the whole day. Started off really windy, but I'm really looking forward to it. So it just started pouring out of nowhere, and I had to get out of here in a rush. Might flood. Crazy. All right, so fortunately we are in the safe zone outside of the flood area. This place got completely flooded and it hasn't even been an hour of rain. And as I'm sure you guys saw by now, we had to run out of there because it started raining really, really hard. And now the roads are completely flooded for the most part. So fortunately I had to call it a day, but I'm not sure if the park is going to be closed tomorrow. It looks like it's going to be raining all night out here, so we'll see what happens. I'm gonna stay optimistic and see what happens, but man, this rain looks really bad. So I was gonna grab some dinner and head over to the hotel and check in for the night. So I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Bye. All right, so right now I found this really nice composition. It's these 4 rocks right in front of me. It's been really windy the entire day today, as you guys I'm sure saw. It was pouring here yesterday, and we decided to come back out today, but if it's not rain, it's wind. So it's been really windy today. I almost didn't want to sit up and shoot, but wanted to get a few photos anyways, and let's see how these images turn out. I'm gonna wrap it up here, and I'll see you guys over at the dunes. I have to just climb up this dune to get a better view from up here. Man, what a workout. Should do. Look at that. I might go down there, but might have to go around to not step on them. Or maybe, I don't want to step down here because then there's going to be footprints leading up to this dune. Oh, and the sun is about to set, so I may just have to go around this side. There's really good, interesting cracks on this one. There's water on that one, so not sure if I should try to get a reflection or the dramatic cracks facing the dune. Gotta find my way down first. I don't want to leave any footprints. All right, let's see what happens here. Clouds look promising out here this evening, but we'll see. Just came from all the way up that dune behind me. All right, let's see here. Looks like there's footprints already leading there. So I'm just gonna go ahead and follow those, not to add any more footprints. All right, I'll see you guys down there. This looks absolutely insane. I've never seen any water puddles out here in Death Valley, much less here by the dunes. So I'm gonna see if I can make my way over here. Wow, sand is really, really soft. But I mean, look at these reflections on the puddles. Absolutely beautiful. Again, I'm trying to step where I'm not gonna be shooting or facing. All right. Beautiful. Wow. Oh, this bush is here, so looks like I may have to work with this puddle here. Let's see what this looks like. Stunning. Wow. All right. See if I can get set up here. Well, it looks like there's already footprints in the water here. Oh man, I'll see. Alright, so that pretty much wraps it for this one. I didn't get to film as much as I'd like because yesterday was raining and today was really, really windy. So I got some really good photos I'm happy with. So I got a long drive ahead of me, so I'm gonna start hiking back, grab a snack, and head home. So thanks so much for watching. Catch you guys next time.